treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Toyota Prius V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, a headlight cleaning system, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call